Welcome to the Daily Smarty Dose USA channel. Smart Laughs, Smart Life. A young girl asks strangers for a weird favor. What is their reaction? Let's see.
Asking strangers for weird favors. Pray for me. Can you rate my sneeze out of 10? I sneeze fake loudly. He gave me a 6.5, disrespectful. I asked a woman, can I borrow your husband for 5 minutes? Woman looks around confused. Analyses question yells, take me instead, and flexes. I asked an older man stranger to hold my baby for some time. Crowd around him loses their minds. I asked a police officer to tie my laces pretending that I may not bend down. My friends enjoyed it too much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe or we ask your mom for a favor. Bye.